Hey, how's it going? Happy first day of school. My name is Mr. Stallman, and this is your Global Studies class. Welcome, welcome. Right off the bat, no, it was not necessary to have my dorky little face at the bottom right corner here, but I really wanted to fulfill my lifelong dreams of being a low-end YouTuber, and here we are. Throughout the year, man, I'm going to get so many subs, it's going to be crazy. Moving forward, Global Studies syllabus, you have it up here. Gives you an overview of what we'll be learning throughout the year and other important information you might need. We have office hours. This is for the digital portion of the year. If we are in distance learning formats past the first 2 weeks or any other point in time, I'll have this up here. If you click down here, you can join my office hours, ask me any questions you need, work on assignments, just any extra help, just let me know. So we got week 1 here. And then we'll start off with our checklist for the week. This will be something you'll see updated regularly. But basically, we have this week in front of us. Today is just the Flipgrid introductions. We'll get into that in a minute. Tuesday is the Schoology scavenger hunt. Wednesday, we will be doing an important information survey. In my opinion, that's actually really important, probably the most of this whole week. It's your chance to kind of give me information about you that you don't necessarily want to speak in front of the whole class, so you can do that, or offer up suggestions of different things you're interested about or would like to learn. Thursday is a live Kahoot with our class and an acrostic name poem. The deal with the live is that once a week we will have a live class when we are in the distance model. So for example, if you're in my first hour class, you'll come in to the virtual meet during your first hour class, not for the whole time, but at the beginning of the hour, and we will do a Kahoot. We'll try to figure out a fun way to do that and have a prize, even though we are distant. Next week, we will be doing something different, so stay tuned for that. And then Friday is just a fun check-in. We're getting to know each other at this point, so we'll throw out kind of a crazy question, see your answers. You'll see my dorky answers, and I'll be annoying people in the comments as per usual. We, from there, have our day-to-day stuff. Please, always, before you get started on anything, do your daily attendance. It's very, very helpful, and make sure that I don't have to call anyone's family because you haven't been into Schoology in days. And then your Flipgrid introduction is your assignment for today. So, it's a little different when I log in versus when you log in. It will ask you to sign in and just do it with your Google account. So it'll even offer it up for you. You just got to click it. Super easy. Once you get in there, you have your introductions video. You'll get to see my video, which was just so amazing. You get to know me just so well. And record one of your own. So this script, you do not have to follow it. It is encouraged to kind of help you out. So you can watch my video, maybe a few other classmates, and see what you want to do. Really, you're just making an introduction, helping the class get to know you just a little bit so we don't feel too separated online. So really, your only assignment for today is to watch my video like 17 times in a row, make your own video, and then watch some of your classmates to get to know them. See you tomorrow.